Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with chicken called Lay's chicken fry. So I have taken half kg of chicken, boneless, and some like what we get for the wings. So you can make it like a lollipop, or you can just keep it like that only to fry this. And so I have marinated it with ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, lime juice, that is 1 lime juice, and then I have added to this a normal masala like 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So basic masala what we have in kitchen, I have used that only, okay, and nothing else. Then I have used some pudina leaves while marinating. So this is like overnight marinated chicken, okay, and we need 1 packet of this Lay's, if you can see this, okay, and we have to crush that Lay's and keep. So how much amount you are going to take chicken, that much Lay's you will be needing it. And we need around so here we go. I will add now corn flour to this, around 3 teaspoon of this, and we will be needing some maida and 1 egg also. So let me mix this now to this, like coat it well. So we'll put more, another 1 teaspoon, and coat this very well nicely so that corn flour goes nice to this. So marination also salt, don't forget to add salt, lime juice, your masala. I have used my basic masala to this. I am not using any sauces to this, okay. So now we take 1 egg and we can season it with little bit of salt to this, just salt, and we will season our maida, that is refined flour. I have taken around 4 big tablespoons of refined flour. We call it maida, refined flour, white flour, and just mix this all. And we'll beat this egg for dipping the chicken, and then it will go in the maida and we'll fry. Till then we will make our oil hot. It has to be very hot for frying, and then we have to make it medium. Now we will crush this. So just crush this all. It's like we take oats, or we take bread crumb or something. This is something which is going in trend, that you can fry it with this potato chips, Lay's. It's your wish, huh? If you don't want to coat this with this, then please don't coat. This is I want because I tried this and it is yummy, so I'm trying again, and I've thought of showing it to you all. The procedure is now very simple. Frying procedure. So first is we have to dip the chicken in this flour. You can see. Tap it like this. Then dip this in this egg. And then you coat this like this. Make the gas slow. Okay, make the gas slow. The oil is hot. So I will make the gas slow and I will show you how to fry. So I've made the gas slow now, and here it will go in this, and I will leave it there. I will show you later. First I will put another few one. So first in the flour, then it goes in the egg, then you coat it with our chips. Like this it looks. Leave it for frying. Okay, and on the slow fire, because otherwise that outer part it will get this. Now this is my boneless chicken piece. So again it will go in the flour, then in the egg, and then it will go in the Lay's chips. Here, nicely coat, and it will go in the oil. So you have to fry this nicely golden brown, and enjoy this with your kids, your family. Today is weekend, so I planned to do this. Oats also, if you crush oats, bring oats and do it, oats like it looks like KFC, so that is also tasty. But this is something new. Okay, so we'll fry this nicely. I'll take it, my camera next to that, so you can have a close-up. Now we will turn this. And fry this till nicely golden brown. So here it is, still it is getting nicely golden brown. I am waiting for few more seconds before I could remove. So you have to keep on turning it little by little. Okay, you have to keep on turning this. So it is not cooked one side and one side it is not become. See, now it is almost done. Few more and it will be done. Now you can take lot of oil. I have not taken so much of oil, but I have taken it what is needed. You can take lot and make it like directly dipping it and you can fry it. So now this is done. It's nicely done all the sides. Now I will take it on a tissue paper and serve it with nice garlic chutney, chili garlic chutney. So here it comes. I am taking it out now. And I will fry the remaining also same way. So here is my tissue papers, kitchen towel you can say, or tissue paper, and it will go here. So you can have a look very close by. Yeah. So here my other thing is frying, and here is my plate thing is ready. So hope you will enjoy. I am going to enjoy now. Thank you so much, and believe me, it is tasting yum. Thank you so much.